So y'all enjoying the severe snowstorm that we had? All 3 inches of it. This was a blizzard out here, wasn't it?
Worst one yet. The worst one.
Don't be messing with my BMW.
I made my mark. I made a bigger mark.
Don't press down on the convertible. There's a puppy.
I like this one's eyes.
That puppy's brown.
His name is
It's
Tanner.
been in mud a lot. That one has spirit's eyes. The one Violet's already has spirit's eyes.
Hey, Shivers. You are used to shaking.
That water is cold.
No, look at the one Violet's holding. Look at him.
I love the white stripe down this one's nose.
Look at the eyes. It's spirit's eyes.
Yep.
This one has home dough.
And there's Spirit. There's Grandma. Is the one with the stripe a girl or a boy?
Girl.
It's a girl?
There's another one that has a stripe, the fat one. The fluffy one has a stripe too. Sorry.
Well, that customer of mine that's wanting the puppies may want the one with the white stripe on the
That
nose.
one already has a home. And there's another one back there though. Yeah. That one already has a home.
Whose puppies are these?
Actually,
The adults or the kids?
they're mine because I am the Munchkin's mother. Half mother.
She looks just like you too.
Yeah, she has my name. She has my nickname. Yeah, that one likes to be. Okay. It has my nickname. She has it. So technically it is me.
Look at her just messing with my car.
Yeah. Make a puppy friend. I did.
She's gonna scratch up
I want
my.
to walk Spirit.
She's gonna scratch up my beautiful, beautiful BMW.
I want to walk Spirit in the snow.
Is what?
It's not that pretty. I can promise you that.
It's prettier than your car.
It is not. Your car is yellow. So it's a monster. Actually, we're getting a white truck soon. My papa's. Well, can we walk Spirit in Munchkin since it's snowy? Like it's colder.
You don't have leashes that can handle them. But that's only one dog.
We can just take Munchkin, the mama. No, because then we have to take some puppies. Yeah, we'll have to take our puppies then.
It stopped snowing, what, 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago? And everything's already melting away.
Like it when it snowed past Christmas. You jerk.
Who,
No,
me?
Ashley, yeah, you.
I don't. That's the reason I'm glad it's melting away.
Ashley put snow in my hood and then put it on my head.
Oh, you poor baby.
It hurt. My eyes hurt.
Well, y'all have fun. I'm going to go in.